This reaction video is brought to you by Mad Munchkin's Move to America commissions. Maddie and her fiance Kickit are planning to get married and have her move to America next year, but could really use some funds to assist with that, and has opened up her commissions early to take on new ideas for artwork. If you would like to support Mad Munchkin and get a cool custom art piece in return, then head on down to her DeviantArt page, link below in the description. Check out her commission guide for price details. Thank you all, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hello everybody, it is I, Lightning Bliss. I am back with another reaction video request by Patreon GameAct3, and thank you for supporting my channel, dude. This time around, it's not a try not to laugh challenge. It seems to be a custom fan piece. More than likely, it's TF2 related because the title of it says Pyro Paints. Oh boy, let's see what we got. In 3, 2, 1, go. It's actually pretty good animation. That's pretty good, actually.
Australia! I love chicken.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Such color, such composition. Hey, you! I'm not easily impressed. And yet, your art have impressed me. Oh, and I'm blind. Don't get too excited.
Well then.
Stop that, you damn idiot! Stop! Ah! You're saying it!
This painting is not synesthetic. Ah, mehr champagne.
I must learn how to do this.
Oh, chicken neck.
If you think about this, I will butcher you like a pig.
I'm sorry, but I'm actually kind of just picturing the roles if they were Eliora and Thespio. It's a little too crazy for my liking, but it's still funny to watch. The idea that Eliora is struggling just to let her creative spirit flow in the middle of Cold Town seems really bad and not like her to do because she would know better. Blissy, on the other hand, she might do that, but Bliss isn't the Pyro, so Ty and Dogga, would he do that? Not likely, because usually when all of us show up in Cold Town for training, it's to play games and basically have fun. So, yeah. Still, this was a fun video to watch, and thank you for sharing this with me, Game Act 3. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching that advertisement, by the way. Totally did not look at the camera when I said all that. I don't know, there's something about me looking at the camera today that's throwing me off. But yes, thank you for looking at the advertisement today. If you would like to support Mad Munchkin and Kick It, be sure to check out her DeviantArt page for commission details. And thanks again, everybody. Keep an eye out for those rainbows. They will make you smile.